Referential integrity. It's the concept in the relational database design that ensures that the relationship between the tables are maintained correctly. It's the set of rules that dictates that how the data is inserted, updated, or deleted. When we have taken the references from each other tables, that is, let's take an example in order to understand this concept. We have two tables, customer and order, and some of the information of the customers are in customer table and some in order table. That is, if customer has to register, the information is going to be stored in customer table, and anytime if we take the order, that information is going to stored in order table. So customer ID is taken as foreign key in this table, and let's take a scenario that if we have to take an order from any customer, we can't do this. Like, we have taken an order that is 03658 from any customer on 16 June, but the customer is not registered in customer table, so we didn't get any customer ID. And that's not the correct thing, because as we didn't got any customer ID, this value will be null and customer ID will remain null. It wouldn't be able to uniquely identify the data, and we can say the foreign key being as a null, it violates the rules and norms. That's why if we have to add any detail, first we have to add it in customer table. That means first we have to register that customer in order to get its customer ID. Then through that very customer ID, we will take his order. Okay, so for updations or additions, we first add the details in the customer table, that's parent table, and then we add in order table, that is in child table. Okay, here you can see that we have added John, that is 104 here in customer table, but that's not yet been added here. That is fine, because first we have to add in parent, then in child. Okay, and another case is that, like, suppose we want to delete any information from the table. In that very case, we first have to delete the information from child table, then from parent table. That means anytime if we have to cancel any customer, or we have to disqualify any customer, we will first cancel his order, then we will cancel his customer ID, that means his registration. Here you can see we want to delete an customer 103, that is Shadab. We have removed 103 from customer table and not from order table. This violates the rules, because here we can say that we have an order this from customer 103 and who is not registered. Okay, so first we have to delete from order table, that's child table, then from parent table. And by doing so, by following these norms, we would be able to maintain the referential integrity. That means when the references are taken from different tables, so we have to keep and consider these rules in our mind, and we have to go through these rules.